Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz. In this tutorial I am going to talk about customizing the task list in Act Premium Cloud. So I had previously mentioned that I only use the task list to see my scheduled calls in Act. It just makes sense to me. But when I look at this list is incomplete. So let me show you how I customize it. I'm going to come over to the right and I'm going to click on the columns. And when I put my pointer over it, you can see it says Customize Columns. I'm going to click on that. So when this box pops up, you're going to see there's some information that I consider to be really relevant to the phone call. One, what's the name of the company? I'm going to click on that, click on the arrow, and shoot it over to the right. Email address, same thing. Phone, same thing. Extension, same thing. I'm going to go down a little bit, and I'm going to click on Save. So now what I have the ability to see here is all the items that are relevant to me based on the information that I need to make that phone call. Now one thing I didn't do is I didn't take things out, and I don't like the order of this. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on the columns again, and I'm going to change the order. So regardless of how you work, some of the things are not needed in my opinion, like priority. I don't need that, so I clicked on it. Scheduled with, I don't need this because it's only me. Regarding location, nope, don't need that. Details, yeah, I might need it. Attachment, nope, don't need that. Private, nope. Associate with, nope. I'm just going to take some things out of here. So next, I'm going to click on company and I'm going to move up all the way to the company. Then I want to see actually the details. Well, let's state that again. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on scheduled with, and actually I took something out that I should have left in there. Scheduled with, which is the person, so I'm going to move that up under company. Cleared, I typically put that up to the top so that it's to the left of company. In other words, you can mess with this and put the information in the way that works for you. Phone extension. Now there's one thing that I'm just noticing here that I don't know if I've noticed in the past. There's not an ability to put the mobile phone in here. And that to me is a huge mistake. It's only the primary phone number. So that is a weakness, and I never noticed that before. Or maybe I have, but I don't remember. But that is a weakness. We really need to have that in here. So anyway, this is how you can customize the columns, move them around, move them up or down, move the order. And now when you come in to use your task list, it's a fully functioning task list that works the way you work. If you want to make any of the columns wider, you can do that by clicking on the columns and drag them to the right and just make them bigger. Again, this is just an example of what you can do. To clear it, anytime you see a checkbox next to any activity, you can click on that checkbox to clear it. And you do want to clear things when you're done. So that's my approach to working with the task list, and I hope that's helpful for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.